governance being implemented in our municipality, that a kind of governance that could be felt up to the grassroots level. So sa mga partner natin sa media, thank you so much. Salamat din kami. And we are very proud to inform you about all this development. And kami naman yan ang mga pinamistahan nun, nagpasalamat din because ang leadership sa panagan natin Mayor Sam Gumarente sa atong Banwa, na ang hindi nga nag-transform. And we look forward for a more development na mag-abot din sa amon because we know that our potential to become the best of who we are is now at its highest level. Highest level ang among potential to become the best of who we are, and we know for a fact that Guimaras, Buena Vista in particular, at its best, is now in the process of realization. It will all redound to the good governance being implemented in our municipality. Thank you so much, Mayor Sam. Amoy ng rason kung nga ang sangguniang bayan of Buena Vista fully supported sa talang-talang program ni Mayor Sam. Because nahibaluan namon sa sanggunian as the presiding officer kag sa pila kabilog ng mga SB member majority nga nagasupport kay Mayor Sam. Nahibaluan namon nga ining initiative ni Mayor Sam is for the betterment sa lives sa among mga pumuluyo, mga constituents sa Banwa sa Buena Vista. So again, thank you so much.